Today's Soul, My Soul in Dubai. the first cover dance was performed by the Texas. Thank you very much for making the stage look beautiful. Thank you very much once again. Now let's get the second crew on stage, ladies and gentlemen. It's the kids. Please one more round of applause.